Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about CSS drop downs. Drop downs are like this. These are drop downs from where we can select many options, any option we want. I will show you practically. We will open our folder. It is our course 17. I will open it with code. I will create a new file, index.html, and a CSS file, style.css. Now I will write the full syntax in HTML file with the help of Shift+1. Okay, now I will link the CSS file with HTML file. And now for drop down we have to write select because there are too many options, so we can do right select. Now in select we have to press enter in select tag, and now we have to write here opt meaning options. When you will press enter, so here options are k, option tag is k, and how many you want to give options you can give. Like I will give 3 options. First is opt1 meaning option 1. I will give with example. You can add anything in your website in drop down, and I will now add opt3. Now this is a drop down is ready. You can say it is a basic and simple drop down. You can make it attractive on your own, on yourself. You can make it attractive. As you can see, it is a drop down. I will like change the width. I will target here select, and I will write here width 400 pixel. So as you can see now its width is changed, and as you can see now it's a drop down. Here is option 2 I can select from here, option 3 I can select like this, and now here I can add color to like color blue. So as you can see the text color is changed to blue. If I will write here background color light cyan, so as you can see background color is changed, and like this we can do. If I will write here hover property on selector hover, I will give here background color blue. So as you can see I am hovering on the drop down and its color is changing. As you can see it's changing. Like this we can use hover property. And if I will target here option, I think so it will not work because these are options, there automatically there is a color when we hover. Like I will show you, I will comment this. So as you can see when I am hovering on the option, so one color is coming. Maybe we can change it, so I will try to change it. I will put hover property on option and I will change the background color blue. No, it's not changing, so it means we can't change the background color of options. So now our other topic is CSS forms. As you have seen many forms, like I will show you with example. It is also a form, like form meaning when you sign in anything. Like as you can see it is a form. This is a form. Here buttons are here, we can write our email and password. This is called a form. So how to make, I will show you. So first I will cut all the CSS and HTML. Okay, now so to make a form we have to write first form tag, and in form tag press enter, and now we have to write here label meaning the text you wanna show. Like enter your name, first name, and now here write input meaning which input we want for this label. So write input and write here like type. Its type is text because name is text. So now other label I will add enter your last name, like this. Now we'll give input, and in input to text would be type. Now other is enter your, I will write first label, and I will write here enter your email. Now give input, and type would be this time email, and when you will press control plus space, you will get suggestions. These all are properties of type in input. So we want email, so I will write here email. And now other is password, so I will write here password, label first, and enter your email password. Enter your email password. I will write here input, and now in input I will give type password, like this. And now we will go to our document. As you can see, a form is ready. You can make it attractive from yourself, like I will write here BR, meaning line break, meaning to make it to bring it to second line, everything. So I will write here BR, and I will copy and paste it here. So as you can see, now it's a form, and enter your first name. Here I will write my name, here I will write my last name, here I will write my email, and I will write my email password. And like this other are two, like I will write here label and select your gender, and I will write in input, I will write in input radio are the buttons, these button, as you can see, this is buttons which we can select only one button, that's called radio. So I will write here two inputs, because I will give the suggestion of male and female. So radio. So from input first I will write here male, then two colons, and from this input first I will write female and colon, like this. And I will write here now BR, control and BR. So as you can see here, I will not give any BR, so okay. So as you can see, wait, I will cut it. Okay, so now it is a radio buttons, so we can select our gender, but the problem is that both are selecting, so we don't want like this, so we will give both input name I will give, and we have to remember that we have to give the same name to both. Like I will give name, gender, I will give it this name, and this other input I will give the same name. So now when I will select, so only, as you can see, one option is selecting, so this is called radio, and other properties are checkbox and numbers and all these things, like as you can see here, and too many in W3 schools you can write. And I will show you one other thing. So now here are too many properties. When you will press control plus space, so here are a lot of properties in input you can add. As you can see, a lot of these are all are the properties of. So otherwise, like checkbox, I will write here input, and checkbox I will write it type. So checkbox meaning like when you are going to log in Fiverr, so there are too many options that in which category you work. So to select, there are too many, so I will target all, and I will write here web development. Here I will write a doctor. Here I will write a freelancer, and here I will write a teacher. So as you can see, here's web development doctor, I can select all. So this is the function of checkbox. And if you will give name both, so it will not work because it's not any radio button, it is a this is checkboxes. Checkboxes meaning you can select multiple things. So this is the function of checkbox. And here are many other properties, but I teach you only only like need, which are needed. I have teach you that properties only. So here are too many. This is select menus. Now just I show the drop downs. This is our drop down. This is our drop down select menu, drop down menu. You can say here this is a form. It's a form, and here some text we can write like this. And so our other topic is now, other topic is transform. So this topic we are going to learn in second video. So as you can see, like how the transforming, this is 2D rotation. 3D rotation is not important, 3D transforming is not important because it's very little bit used in websites. But if you want to learn, so comment, so I will make a video in 3D transforms. So thank you guys in this video only this much. We will meet in next video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.